Welcome to this guide on how to make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this video is designed to help you understand the fundamentals, set realistic goals, and give you actionable steps to start earning money through affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your referral link. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales, and you get a share of the profits. Affiliate marketing is incredibly popular because it doesn't require you to create your own products, manage inventory, or deal with customer service. All you need to do is focus on promoting products that align with your audience's needs. Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers several advantages, making it an attractive option for those looking to make extra income. Here are a few reasons why you should consider it. 1. Low barrier to entry. You don't need a lot of money to start. In most cases, signing up for an affiliate program is free. 2. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere, whether it's your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. All you need is an internet connection. 3. Passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate links and content, you can earn money passively. This means you can potentially make money while you sleep. 4. Scalability. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. The more traffic you can drive to your affiliate offers, the more you can earn. Setting realistic goals. Before diving in, it's crucial to set realistic expectations. Making $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing is achievable, but it won't happen overnight. Success in affiliate marketing requires time, effort, and persistence. Here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Initial learning curve. You'll need to invest time in learning about affiliate marketing, understanding your audience, and finding the right products to promote. 2. Content creation. Creating valuable content that resonates with your audience is key. This could be blog posts, videos, social media posts, or emails. 3. Traffic generation. More traffic generally means more potential sales. You'll need to learn how to drive traffic to your content, whether through SEO, social media, or paid advertising. 4. Conversion rates. Not everyone who clicks on your affiliate link will make a purchase. Understanding and improving conversion rates is essential for maximizing your earnings. So let's begin. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you'll focus on. This is crucial because it allows you to target a specific audience with specific needs, making your marketing efforts more effective. Here's how to choose the right niche. Passion and interest. Choose a niche that you're passionate about. If you're genuinely interested in the topic, it will be easier to create content and stay motivated. Profitability. Make sure your niche has the potential to be profitable. Research whether there are products or services in this niche that offer affiliate programs with decent commissions. Niches with the highest commissions typically include software, 30–50%, financial products, 40–70%, online courses and education, 30–50%, health and wellness, 20–40%, luxury goods, 10–30%. Audience demand. Consider whether there is an audience interested in your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media to gauge interest. Competition. While some competition is healthy, you don't want to choose a niche that's oversaturated. Look for a balance where there's demand but not too much competition. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that align with your niche. Just search on Google for some company name and add affiliate program. If they have one, then you will get a link to their application page. Affiliate networks like Awin, Trade Doubler, and so on is the easiest place to find brands to connect with. There are several types of affiliate programs. Retail affiliate programs. These include programs from major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. They offer a wide range of products, but commissions tend to be lower. Digital products and software. These programs often offer higher commissions, sometimes up to 50% or more. Examples include programs for online courses, software, and digital downloads. Niche-specific affiliate programs. These are programs that cater specifically to your chosen niche. They might be harder to find, but they often offer more relevant products and higher commissions. When choosing an affiliate program, consider the following. Commission rates. How much will you earn per sale or action? Higher commissions are better, but consider the price point of the product and the likelihood of making a sale. Cookie duration. This refers to how long after someone clicks your link you can still earn a commission if they make a purchase. Longer cookie durations are better. Payout thresholds. Some programs require you to earn a certain amount before you can get paid. Make sure you're comfortable with the payout terms. Support and resources. Good affiliate programs provide you with marketing materials, support, and resources to help you succeed. Step 3. Build your platform. Now that you've chosen a niche and found affiliate programs, it's time to build your platform. Your platform is where you'll create and share content, and where your audience will interact with you. There are several options for building your platform. Blog or website. A blog is one of the most popular platforms for affiliate marketing. It allows you to create long-form content, build an audience, and rank on search engines. But you can also create an e-commerce which sells affiliate products, create a product comparison or review website, and much more. Video channels. If you prefer video content, starting a TikTok or YouTube channel is a great option. You can create tutorials, reviews, and other video content that includes your affiliate links. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can be used for affiliate marketing. While social media has its limitations, it's great for reaching and engaging with your audience. Email list. Building an email list is one of the most powerful tools in affiliate marketing. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience and promote affiliate products through email marketing. Regardless of the platform you choose, focus on providing value to your audience. Create content that educates, informs, or entertains, and weave in your affiliate links naturally. Step 4. Create quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. The quality of your content will determine your success. Here's how to create content that drives traffic and generates sales. Identify your audience's pain points. What problems does your audience have? Your content should address these pain points and offer solutions, ideally through the products or services you're promoting. Product reviews. One of the most effective types of affiliate content is product reviews. Be honest and thorough in your reviews, and highlight the benefits and drawbacks of the product. Tutorials and how-to guides. Show your audience how to use a product or service. This not only provides value, but also demonstrates the usefulness of the product. Comparison articles. Compare 2 or more products to help your audience make informed decisions. This can be especially effective if you're promoting multiple affiliate products. Listicles. Articles that list the top products in a category can be highly effective. For example, top 10 tools for bloggers with affiliate links to each tool. Incorporate SEO. Optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords. This will help your content rank higher in search results, driving more traffic to your site. Use visuals. Incorporate images, infographics, and videos into your content to make it more engaging. Visuals can also help explain complex concepts and improve user experience. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. Creating quality content is just the first step. You also need to drive traffic to your content to make sales. Here are some strategies to help you do that. Search engine optimization. SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, and building backlinks. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Paid advertising. If you have a budget, consider using paid advertising to drive traffic. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads can be effective. Email marketing. Build and nurture an email list by offering valuable content and incentives like free ebooks or courses. Use your email list to promote your affiliate content. Guest posting. Write guest posts for other websites in your niche. This not only drives traffic back to your site, but also helps build your authority in the niche. Forums and online communities. Participate in online communities like Reddit, Quora, or niche-specific forums. Provide value, and when appropriate, share your content with affiliate links. Step 6. Monitor and optimize. Once your content is live and you're driving traffic, it's important to monitor your performance and optimize your efforts. Here's how. Track your traffic. Use tools like Google Analytics to track where your traffic is coming from, which pages are performing best, and how long visitors are staying on your site. Monitor conversions. Keep an eye on your conversion rates. How many visitors are clicking your affiliate links and making purchases? If your conversion rates are low, you may need to tweak your content or calls to action. A/B testing. Test different elements of your content, such as headlines, images, and calls to action, to see what resonates best with your audience. Adjust your strategy. Based on your data, adjust your content strategy. If certain types of content are performing better, focus more on those. If certain products aren't converting, consider promoting different ones. Stay updated. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving. Stay updated on industry trends, algorithm changes, and new tools that can help you succeed. Step 7. Scale your efforts. Once you're consistently making sales, it's time to scale your efforts to reach your $1,000 a month goal. Here are a few ways to do that. Create more content. The more content you have, the more opportunities you have to rank on search engines and drive traffic. Aim to create a consistent publishing schedule. Expand your platform. If you started with a blog, consider adding a YouTube channel. If you're already on social media, expand to other platforms. The more places you can reach your audience, the better. Promote higher ticket items. Consider promoting products or services with higher price points or better commission rates. This can help you earn more with fewer sales. Outsource. As your business grows, consider outsourcing tasks like content creation, social media management, or SEO to free up your time and focus on scaling. Leverage analytics. Use your data to identify what's working and double down on those strategies. Focus on high-converting content and traffic sources. Step 8. Diversify your income streams. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative, it's wise not to rely solely on it. Consider diversifying your income streams to create a more stable and resilient business. Create your own products. Once you've built an audience, consider creating and selling your own products, such as ebooks, courses, or merchandise. This allows you to keep 100% of the profits. Offer services. If you have expertise in your niche, offer consulting, coaching, or other services. This can be a great way to supplement your affiliate income. Sponsored content. As your platform grows, you may have opportunities to work with brands on sponsored content. This can be another lucrative income stream. Ad revenue. If you're getting a lot of traffic, consider monetizing with ads through platforms like Google AdSense. Conclusion. Making $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing is achievable, but it requires dedication, strategy, and ongoing effort. By choosing the right niche, finding quality affiliate programs, creating valuable content, and driving targeted traffic, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep learning and optimizing your strategies. With time and persistence, you'll start to see your efforts pay off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online.